Hello, let's take a look on the brand new JBL Go 5 portable speaker. So first, let's take a look on the box and what kind of the features we can find here. As you can see, we can find the IP68, which means that we can put this speaker under the water. The battery lasts around 10 hours, but of course it depends on the maximum volume, and we can find the AirTouch. And if you are wondering what it is, well, there's a new JBL technology with the Bluetooth 6.0. It actually allows our speakers to quickly connect. And also it supports JBL portable application. Okay, and that's how the speaker looks from the front. Here we can find the big JBL marking. It's actually made out of the rubber. When you go for the left side, we can find controls button, the same over here. On the right side, we can find Go 5. So this is the model of our speaker, USB-C port. Also this cool attachment. On the back, 4 small stands. So it allows us to put it like this. Or for example, the same at the bottom, we can put it like that. So it's actually made pretty well. There's nice feeling when you touch it. It comes with the different colors. Now to turn it on, we have to press on the power button once. And wow, there is a cool LED lights also here. We got this, signature sound from the JBL. So now I'm gonna connect this to the phone and we can check what features we can find here. Okay, and that's how it looks in the application. For the first, what we can do, well, we can actually change this LED light style. We can find bounce, loop, switch, and freeze. Unfortunately, we cannot change its color. It's not the RGB, but we can do this. What we can also do, we can completely turn off those lights. Also very useful. It will probably save some battery. And below we can find this equalizer. We can find 4 default presets and also the custom one with all of those frequencies. So we can set up like we want. Here we can find the reset button. There's also the playtime boost. Well, what it does, it actually tunes the performance for louder sound and extend play music time. There's also option to connect multiple speakers together. And when you go here, what we can find also some basic information like software update, serial number. We can turn off this signature sound. We can factory reset. And that's pretty much it. That's how it looks in the application. So this is just a quick unboxing and quick overview of the application. And if you are looking for some tips, tricks, or tutorials, you can actually find a lot of them on my channel. So keep in touch.